Hey everybody, it's Roy from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with the Odistar Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Now this is the perfect opportunity that every YouTuber takes to make that joke about how this vacuum sucks. However, it is the good kind of sucking. This vacuum works very well. I bought it on a whim. I was on Amazon, I was looking for something else, and I happened to see this desktop vacuum cleaner. Now for those of you that know me, you know I'm a little bit of a neat freak and I like to keep things clean. I have a thing of compressed air, or I have an air duster that sits on the side of my desk, and I'm always using it to blow out my keyboard, to blow out dust, to get things like that away from my setup and able to keep it clean. However, I don't actually like doing that because yes, it keeps my desktop clean, but it just means that I have to clean something else. All it does is move the dust or the crumbs or whatever from one place to another. The Odistar vacuum cleaner comes in a variety of colors, and it has two different options. You can get it with USB-C charging. There's a USB-C charger here, or you can get it with a battery-powered option that I think uses AA batteries. Depending on the charging option and the color that you go with, it goes for between $12 and $20. Inside the box, you will get the little vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is separable, so you do have this little tray here that you can pop off on the bottom. It does come with a built-in filter as well, so that filter helps capture hair, dust, anything else, and keeps it from getting into your motor here. When you're all done with it, you'll see all your dust and everything else has been accumulated or vacuumed up into there. Inside the box, you'll have a few other extras. You have the operating instructions, you have a little brush so you can get things out and clean it up a little bit better, and then you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And then you also have a little adapter here that you can put in, plug it in like that, and give you a little bit more of a focused vacuum. Now to test this out, I did something that I don't normally do. I have a teenager who is very fond of using computers, and he never gets to use my keyboard. However, I let him do it, handed him a bag of Doritos, and said, have fun. As you can see, it wasn't necessarily the cleanest of things, and it's kind of grossing me out right now. But the good news is, I got my vacuum here, and it's going to help us out. To turn it on, you push your power button right here, just give it one little push, and it starts sucking. And then you just go and run it along. Now as you can see, it wasn't perfect. There are still a few crumbs up here. Those are things that are stuck to it, and that's where your brush comes into play. The brush allows you to move those things around, loosen them up, get them so they're not stuck on it. If you have something extra persistent, you can use the adapter here, pop that on, and there you go. Once you're all done with your vacuum, you can pop off the adapter. We're going to pop this piece off. And as you can see there, it did get a bunch of little junk in there. There's not a ton because yes, it is my keyboard and I do keep it pretty clean. However, you can see there's some chips, there's some other things. Probably should have gone with something other than Doritos because the orange blends in with the orange case here. But you can see that there are definitely some crumbs in there that were picked up during the vacuuming. You can also look at the filter, pop that out. And you'll see that there's things in there as well. There's not as much in the filter. There's a hair right there and a chip that just fell back down into the keyboard. So I guess I'm gonna have to vacuum that again here in a second. But got a couple little things in there. Nice little way you can clean it. When you're all done, just take that, dump it in the garbage, pop it back on, and you're good to go. Now again, it's not the most powerful vacuum out there. There are other vacuums, there are other things that are a little bit more reliable, a little bit stronger. However, this works great for your average user, and it works great for me. For about $15, it's something that helps keep my desk clean and gives me a little bit of peace of mind that I'm not having to sit there and mess around with nasty crumbs and things. It's a great little purchase. I'd recommend checking it out if you want to keep your desktop clean as well. If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and reply as soon as we're available. If you guys have enjoyed this video and need to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.